coffee shop, the one off the corner on Mission and Hop, the one that gives you systemic or rustic vibes. Skyscraper high, half candy to buy, chocolate bars and gummy bears, all colors alike. Name brands at the top, shining glow so bright. But mama said, don't judge by the color of the wrapping, it matters what's inside. So give it a try. She said, not just the ones they tell you to buy. Choose ones that taste so good it makes you wanna cry. So give it a try. And mama was right.
you hear coming out of your mouth.
You are so sensitive about the whole dog.
Your crazy blue eyes. I think about Manhattan. I don't know what happened, but I miss those times. Holding my hands on the subway so I wouldn't fall, still down I'd go, and you'd pick me up. Whether on those trains or when I felt low, running through streets like taxi cabs. I didn't know how good we had everything with us. Just know I miss it bad. I hope you think of me when you walk down Broadway. Hear me sing when you hear street bands play. Hope you think of me when you go back to the city. Hope you see me at the Soho Diner. Can't sleep when you pull no nighter. Hope you think of me when you go back to the city. Do you remember Brooklyn? We were so good back then. What a mess we made. Kisses on the river, from gold to silver. Now we're just ingrained. From sneaking our way into rooftop skies, drunken songs of you and I, to nothing at all. It breaks my heart asking why, when we put city lights to shame, lit up streets with both our names. The love stood so tall, and there'll never be one the same. I hope you think of me when you walk down Broadway. If you see me when you hear street bands play. Hope you think of me when you go back to the city. Hope you see me at the Soho Diner. Can't sleep when you pull no nighter. Hope you think of me